TVS Jupiter ZX with new features. You can see this TVS Jupiter. They have given slogan Jada Kya Fayda. So TVS Jupiter 2021 model ETFI Eco Thrust Fuel Injection. It comes with enhanced mileage, 15% more mileage, improved fuel economy, hassle-free startability in all weather conditions, refined engine, consistent power delivery, superior ride quality, jerk-free and smooth ride, improved durability, increased component life, low maintenance with OBD and MIL. Now let me take you into the real world and let me show you the TVS Jupiter. Jada kya fayda? Kuch to hoga. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. Now here is a new video. He is my colleague. His name is Mr. Ramesha, PGT Computer Science. He has purchased a new bike. It's called scooter. So I am going to give you the first walk around of this scooter. The name of the scooter is TVS Jupiter. It's a high-end model scooter. So let me first give you the walk around. You can see the walk around of this scooter. TVS company Jupiter ZX. So he is the guy who purchased recently. Yesterday he purchased. Now let me show you the details and the features of this bike. Let me first show you. This is the front view of this scooter. He has fixed already the safety guards and all those things, and this scooter comes with alloy wheels, black alloy wheels, and it is having disc. So disc, and then all safety measures, safety equipments are here. And then let us go to the first top view of this scooter. So this is the dashboard. So here is the ignition. So let me turn on the ignition. So once we turn on the ignition, okay, here you can see it took one full turn, and then you can see the display of the odometer. It is a combination of digital and analog. So left side you can see the scooter comes with two different modes, eco mode and power mode, and the maximum speed limit is given 100 km per hour. And this is the advantage of having digital odometer. So here you can see the fuel and the timing also. We can set the timing and the number of kilometers we have covered so far, and you can change this according to your convenience. So this is a switch. You can use this switch and you can change the time or set the time. Now after that, here is the left side. This is the clutch to start, and this switch, it is a parking brake. Park your Jupiter comfortably even on uneven and sloped surfaces. Parking brake in Jupiter works similar to a handbrake in cars and keeps your vehicle fixed at its position. Left side you have the light switch, up and down switch are there, and left side is the horn switch, and this is the indicator switch, left side and right side indicator switch. And here you can see they have given one hook, so that when you go to market and when you carry a bag, you can use this hook to bring luggage. And there is one more hook they have given here. So generally it is called helmet hook. That means you can keep your helmet, or you can even keep some luggage. And one more advantage of TVS Jupiter is it comes with mobile charger. You can see here it's a mobile charger, and I'll show you how it works. So you have to connect your mobile with the charger, and so here you can see the mobile is getting charged. But only thing is, here I suppose you can see the mobile is getting charged, but only thing is you have to keep the ignition switch always on. If you turn off the ignition switch, then the mobile charger stops working. So when you are riding the bike or scooter, you can keep your mobile on charge. So this is the front view, and this is rear view mirrors, and this is the escalator, and right side you have the ignition switch. Okay, now let me show you the backside view. So the fuel tank is fixed at the back, so you need not to open the seat to fill petrol. So let me show you how to open the petrol cap. So here is the ignition switch. Using this ignition, this facility only, we can open to open the fuel cap, you have to press little and then turn right side. So once you turn, here you can see the petrol cap open. So I'll show you once again. Ramesh sir, turn on. So he is opening that. Once he turn on, so here you can see how it works. So without opening your seat, without asking your pillion rider to get up from the seat, you can open the petrol cap and you can fill the petrol. Now to open the seat, you have to just turn this ignition knob key to the left. So once you turn, the seat opens, and this is the boot space you get. It's enough to keep some luggage. Even you can keep your helmet inside. This is a boot space, and so the light is also given here. That means when you are traveling during night time, if you want to keep some luggage or if you want to check something inside this compartment, even the light is also there, so without any problem you can check your luggage here. And there is one more thing, this is OBD, maybe is there, I don't know. I'll give you in the description box the details about this particular thing. I suppose this is the one, the name it is printed is OBD. So the light, it's a very new feature, so that it can make your journey comfortable. You can keep luggage and you can check the luggage. So the seat is fixed. Now coming back to, so they have given the mat. You may have to purchase it like an accessory, and then it comes with side stand, and it has a kick start also, and the back wheel is also alloy wheels, and the cc of the bike is 110 cc. You can see here the silencer cover also for safety, and it looks very clean and neat. Now they have given some chrome finishing to this rear view mirrors from this side. Now without any delay, now let us start the bike.
Handle lock.
So you can lock this bike also. Handle lock is here. Use this and you can just like this, and your scooter handle is locked.
All are in one key.
So it's like all things you can do with the help of one key and with one place. Okay. So this is about the new scooter TVS Jupiter ZX. This is a high-end model. Now the most interesting thing is about the price of this scooter. So how much it costs, sir? Ramesh sir?
Totally with including accessories, registration charge, everything, around it becomes 97.
So he purchased yesterday only, so he is telling that around 97,000 is the on-ride price including accessories. That means you may have to invest almost all
Registration, insurance.
you may have to invest almost all 1 lakh rupee to take this bike and to enjoy the ride in this scooter. Of course, this is very good scooter because TVS is a reputed brand known for good standards, maintaining good standards, and this is good scooter for not only for women, it is even for men, because if you have a heavy bike, you must purchase this scooter, so that for normal walking or for going market in here, you can use this scooter and to bring your market items or luggage with your any problem. So this is about this scooter. So, and at the end I would like to say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And thank you Ramesh sir for giving me opportunity to shoot a video on your scooter. So we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.